Hi there, students. A power of attorney. A power of attorney. This is a legal phrase. This is a document, a letter, a written authorization that lets somebody else represent you on your behalf in your private affairs. It might be to do with finance, or it might be health, it might be welfare, it might be business, or some other legal matter. This is a power of attorney gives another person the authority to act in place of you, to be your representative, to act as your agent. So he confirmed that he had signed the power of attorney. In many places, a power of attorney needs to be signed by a notary as well. In others, it doesn't. But a power of attorney is a document. A power of attorney is a document that somebody gets, and it gives this person the authority to act in specified matters, in finance, for example. And this is the document that actually gives this person the right. So you could sign a legal document on behalf of this person. It gives another person the legal right to act for you, the authority to act for you in specified legal matters, or in all legal or financial matters. It can be both. Okay, so it's a legal instrument, and you're the grantor, you grant the power of attorney to someone else. This person doesn't have to be an attorney. I know an attorney is an American word for a lawyer, but you could give a power of attorney to your friend, to anyone you wish. They probably got to be over the age of 18. Very often it's a lawyer who is given the power of attorney, but this doesn't have to be a lawyer. This person is acting as a proxy. They are acting in your place, and the power of attorney is a document that shows that you have the right to act as this person, to sign a contract, or to do whatever on this person's behalf. In this case, the word attorney means a personal representative. It's not the power as a personal representative. And I think this is the only way, the only case in which it doesn't mean lawyer. It just means a personal representative. So it's the power of representation for someone else, and it doesn't necessarily have to be a lawyer at all. Formality, power of attorney. This is a legal phrase. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but it is what it is. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A power of attorney.